Watch this video only if you are ready to dive into the secret sauce of running successful faceless YouTube channel. I'm about to show you how to join the big league with the faceless channel that is already rocking over 1.13 million subs and a whooping 6.4 million views. And guess what? It's all about tech and everyday problem solving, a gold mine niche on YouTube. Now let's talk numbers. Tech videos earns between $4 to $7 per thousand views. Let's play cool and say it's $5. This channel over 9 years has gathered around 6.44 million views. Let's do a quick math crunch. Divide those views by 1000, multiply by 5 and divide by 9. Oh, it's over 300k per year. That revenue is only from Google Ads. Let's say they are promoting tech products. Let's say only 5% of their viewers end up buying from their link. But why just watch them make bank? Why not you? Time to turn that why not me into watch me go. I am going to show you how to kickstart your own faceless YouTube channel. The channel I showed you before is making videos on YouTube searchable content. For example, how to set up alarm clock on iPhone 13 Pro Max. Length of video is only 1.35 minutes. People search on YouTube search, for example, if you type how to set iPhone, YouTube will provide you many options which people are searching online on YouTube. These kinds of videos can be made using any screen recording software, either on mobile or on laptop. The only thing you need to focus is on good niche and quantity of videos. In these kinds of videos, we do not need to focus on quality, but quantity is very important. Absolutely, AI is making our life easier, and we can use ChatGPT to find cool ideas for YouTube videos. Let's ask ChatGPT to suggest some awesome topic for how-to videos that we can create. We can also explore Google to find promising niches for a tech-oriented YouTube channel. This approach can provide us with numerous ideas and inspiration for potential content. As you can see in our search, we are getting many ideas here. Creating problem-solving videos is not just simple and time-efficient but also budget-friendly. I'm not promising instant virality, but with constant effort in niche selection and producing 50 to 100 videos daily, you can carve out your space on YouTube over time. So roll up your sleeves and dive into the world of problem-solving content. If you enjoyed today's video, kindly give it a thumbs up, share it and consider subscribing to the channel. Have a good day.